What is up, you guys? How are you all doing out there? I hope you're doing super well. My name is Ashley Ellix, for those of you who do not know me, and in this video today, I will be unboxing the first ever Huda Beauty Mystery Box Collection bag thingy. Huda Beauty just launched these for 48 hours only, and I have them in here. I have both the large and the small ones to show you guys and to share with you what is inside. I haven't opened them yet, but we did run into a little snafu. I had opened the box to take the bags out so they'd be ready to show you guys, and upon opening, I was bummed. But we're going to talk about that in a minute. But before we dive into it, I would love it so much if you would consider subscribing at any point in time in this video. That way you get notified when I post more videos, which are all beauty related 3 times a week, and they're also cruelty free. But enough chit chat, enough jibber jabbing. If you want to see what I got in these bags just as much as I do, then you're in the right place. And all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop. Now, in case you didn't know about the Huda Beauty Mystery Bags, I do want to say really quickly that the small size was supposed to be 5 items, one of them being the tote, so really it's like 4 items, and that one retailed for $49, and then the large bag was retailing for $89, and that one was supposed to have 7 items in there, but again, one of them being the tote bag. So, I mean, everybody has their own opinions on the tote bags. I don't usually particularly like them, especially if that counts as an item. I'd rather them just say 6 and then the bag, because I don't know if other brands count that, you know, as a bag. Like if Ofra or something does a mystery, do they count their little makeup bags? I don't know, but that's just me. But you know, everybody's different with that. It's still a good value, allegedly, like based off of what the original price would be of all these products sold by themselves. Now, before discussing the little issue that we have here, so I do want to say, from my knowledge, this is Huda Beauty's first ever mystery bag, and from my experience watching different mystery boxes launching and all of that, there seems to be a little bit of a learning curve that comes with these launches. So I don't want it to come across that I'm just like hounding and harping and just being super negative. It's just something that I'm a little bit disappointed in, and I think that you guys might want to know about it. Maybe I'm the only one that experienced this, so it's a non-issue. I hope that I am, but it's something that we need to take in consideration, and I hope that she changes in the future if she ever does do these mystery boxes or bags or bundles or whatever. Again, right when I opened the box, I was pleasantly surprised. Honestly, I thought that the tote bags would just be like those kind of cheapy type of material tote bags, but you know what? It's actually a pretty sturdy, good quality. So it says Huda Beauty on it, everything great. I was trying not to like look inside and everything and spoil it. I pulled it out and I was like, wow, that's really, really heavy. That's crazy. Maybe that's the large size. Okay, put that down. Noticed it's just a tote by itself here. So because I ordered the small and the large, you can see where this is going here. They put all of the stuff that was to come in my mystery bags into one bag. So I have no idea what's supposed to be in the small bag, what's supposed to be in the large bag, and I'm bummed for a couple reasons. Number one, I want to show you guys and share with you guys, in case she ever does them in the future, what you could expect from a small size and a large size, or if you might have ordered one for yourself and you just can't wait to find out what might be in your bag and you only got one of them, you're not going to know what's what. I'm not going to know what's what. I'm not going to know if it's worth it again in the future. Also, I know there's a lot of families out there that will order different mystery bags or boxes and say, okay, you get this one, I get this one, just to make it easy and, you know, not switcheroo. I mean, you could definitely switcheroo it, but if I was ordering one of these as a gift or for somebody in particular, I would not know. Say my friend wanted me to order one for her, I would not know which one is which. I don't know. I don't know why they threw them all in one bag. And it kind of took like, I don't know, it kind of takes the fun out of it. Not fully. It doesn't fully take the fun out of it. This is still super fun. It's still a mystery, but you know what I mean? I think you guys get it. Also, there's one other thing. If you are getting this box and you don't want to know exactly what's in your box, because I don't know yet if all of them are the same or not, don't look at the invoice, because there's a little invoice in here, and I was about to open it to just, you know, see it, and I noticed SKUs and stuff, and I just put it away really quickly because all the items that I got are listed on the invoice. Now, I don't know if that's because maybe she's going to be allowing for exchanges or returns. I don't know anything about that. That's just a random guess. But that's a little bit weird. In all of the other mystery boxes and bags and stuff that I've seen and done, I've never had them listed. It's all just said the SKU of mystery. Like I said, it's a learning experience, so maybe this won't happen in the future. I don't know. So I'm just going to show you everything that I got between the small and the large. So like I said, the tote bag is actually a very good quality, very sturdy quality. I am gonna still make one of these into a little pillow just because I think it'd be so cute and it'll go with my other ones that I've been making. But it is a good quality and I don't feel like I have to do that like I did with the Jeffree Star one, because that one wasn't a very good quality. This one is probably 3 times thicker and it's bigger, like a lot bigger. So that's really cool. I feel like I could definitely hold groceries in here or whatever. Okay, now let's get to the makeup part. Now I do want to say this was the perfect time for me to buy a Huda Beauty Mystery Bundle because I actually only have one product from her, and that is the new nude palette. No, excuse me. I also have a pair of eyelashes, but other than that, those are the only ones that I have, and I love that palette so much. I don't know why I haven't bought anything else from her yet, but this is a great time if you don't have a lot of products from somebody, because a lot of these products might be things that they're trying to like get rid of, they have excess stock of, and they're trying to move it along. So if you already have a good collection of Huda Beauty or whatever brand is doing a mystery bag, keep that in mind. If you have a lot of stuff from that brand, you might get duplicates. So just bear that in mind. Ooh, okay, so this is the Summer Highlight Palette. This came out a couple years ago, I believe. I heard really good things about it. Okay. The container is like really scuffed up and scratched, and there's like a piece of it that just fell off and like disintegrated. Okay, that's a little bit weird. But as long as the inside is all good, we won't have any... Oh my gosh. No. Look at... Oh, it's just completely shattered. It's beautiful, but it's completely shattered. Look at Coco Cabana. It is so pretty, but no. Okay, I can repress it. I mean, I'll see if she takes exchanges and stuff, if they arrive bad, but it's a mystery box. I don't know. Now, what? This, like, plastic thing is coming off of the plastic thing. Is this supposed to be sealed? Can somebody tell me that has a Summer Highlight palette if that was supposed to come sealed? I'm confused now. Okay, I don't want to, I'm trying not to like read too much into this, okay? Anyways, moving on. So this right here is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in Chica. I believe this was like a first launch product. There's a couple in here, so let me pull them out. Oh, there's several. Just kidding. Okay, so there is the shade Day Slayer, the shade Passionista, and Provocateur. I remember looking at this one a while ago and I really wanted this. Is this a part of the new nude collection? Like when she launched that? I don't know, but I remember really wanting that one. So I'm super, super excited for this shade in particular. There are the swatches of the lippies that I got. They're beautiful. I mean, they're pretty wearable. The hot pink, I know a lot of people that wear that on the day-to-day. And you know, my saying over here on my channel, any makeup you wear is wearable if you wear it. But you know what I mean? They're more on the neutrally side minus the pink. I am particularly loving Day Slayer and Provocateur, whatever it is. So those are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if she has any like intense bright lippies or anything, but that is really nice. Okay, this one's all scuffed up and banged up too, but that's whatever. It's just the box. Sometimes that happens. This is the Matte Perfector Pre-Makeup Base, so I'm assuming matte makeup primer. It's supposed to be runny, right? It's supposed to be. See, that's the hard thing, is I don't have any experience with her products. It's not like thick, it's kind of watery. Well, it's like a serum. It's serum-y. Interesting. Interesting. Feels really nice on, so that is good. Oh, okay, there's a couple little mini obsessions in here. I do have a duplicate, but I'm not that surprised between the small and the large, so I'm assuming one of these would have been in the small and one would have been in the large. I actually really wanted this one at 1.2. This is the amethyst, so I got 2 of the amethyst and 1 of the rubies. So let me check these and make sure that they're not all banged up. I will put one aside for a future giveaway. No, it's broken. Okay. Oh my gosh. Just kidding on the giveaway. They're both broken. Okay, so I don't know if this was just a shipping problem. It got to me really fast, so maybe all the shipping people were just like throwing it around. More people need to get the reviews out because I need to find out if I'm alone. I hope I'm alone. I hope I'm the only one that's having this happen to. So this one only has the middle shade broken, and this one has 4 shades broken. 4. Okay, I'm starting to not get happy right now. Okay, and you guys guessed it, Ruby Obsessions, which looks gorgeous, is also all smashed up. So far, of my 4 palettes that I've gotten, all of them have been broken. I don't want to deal with like emails and stuff, especially right now in these times, you guys. I know it's just makeup, but this is money. This is money spent. Okay, wish me luck on this last one. I'm turning into a really negative Nancy right here, but this was $130 something for all of this, and it's broken. So I hope she does exchanges, because now one thing I'm like, okay, but all of them, and I'm just like, okay. So wish me luck on this. This is the Desert Dusk palette, which is super exciting. Her full-size palette's, I believe, around $68. It's a beautiful palette. It's so pretty. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. We have a winner. Not broken. Beautiful. Stunning, actually. Wow. I remember looking at this palette at one point, and it is so, so pretty. Okay. 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 Whew. Should I be super excited? I don't know. Should I be? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be emailing about those 4 things that came broken. I don't expect that in a mystery situation. What do you guys think? What do you guys expect when you open boxes? Because I haven't opened any mystery boxes before that have had broken product in it. I don't think it's on purpose, of course. I don't think that at all. But I do think it's a bummer. 4 of the things broke, so maybe a better bubble. I mean, honestly, each palette should have been bubble wrapped because they're palettes. They are super delicate. I was not expecting this. If you guys know me, you know I love unboxing mystery boxes. And I don't know what to do now. I don't know how I feel about all of this. The overall value of everything that I got was $323, which is crazy. That's a lot. They did count the tote bags to be around $10, which I would agree with. It's about a $10 tote bag. And then what I paid for it was $138. So that's an incredible savings. It's an incredible value. You're saving a total of $185. Like I said, if you weren't familiar with the brand and this was like your first time really, you know, stocking up on some stuff from them, you only had a couple pieces, then that would be great. Otherwise, you might have some dupes, because I know that the Obsessions were super popular, and so was Desert Dusk palette. If you took out the fact that these are smashed and the whole separating of small and large, because I know some of you guys probably don't care about that issue, but taking away the smashed ones, I would be super, super happy with this bag. I am super happy with these bags, and I hope that they can offer me some replacements for these. I just don't know, because I know mystery bags, usually companies are pretty like rigid on, but I've never, you know, shopped with Huda Beauty on her site before. I have no idea what's going to go on with that, and maybe that's why they separated onto the invoice, so you can make easy exchanges if there's an issue. I don't know. Fingers crossed. I don't know. If you got a mystery bag, please let me know down in the comments below what you got. Let me know if it was different, same. If this is not an isolated incident and more of you guys have these issues, then I hope that, you know, Huda Beauty can learn from them. I do hope that she does them again in the future, just, you know, taking these little critiques into mind, because mystery bags are so much fun. I love them. They're a great way to get to know a brand better, and they're super exciting. So yeah, I will let you guys know, you know, in an update maybe in the future if I'm able to get replacements or anything, how that all goes. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that this wasn't as like exciting and as positive as I thought it was gonna be, but such is a mystery. It was just as much as a mystery as it was to me. So if you are new to my channel and new to my face, I would love it so much if you would consider subscribing before you go. That way you get notified when I post more videos, which, like I said at the beginning, is 3 times a week, all beauty related and all cruelty free as well. I hope every single one of you out there are doing well and you're staying safe and healthy, and I hope that you have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful day.